Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Forex Trading School. We have just launched an app and it's on the Google Play Store. You can download it. It's Forex Trading School app. If not downloaded it, go ahead and download it and you see I'll be posting the updates there. So where can we find our Forex Trading app? Very simple. Let's take a look. Go to Google App Play Store. See if we can find it. I hope I can find it. Forex trading. Are we there? We are not there. Okay, let me find it for you. One. Yeah, there. Okay, I found it. Let's get it back on. You can search for live forex and stock trading signal. Over here, let's see if you can find it. Yes, you can find it. It's the B logo. Yeah, here. Click on it, and you'll see this is our app. I hope you will download it. I have a 4.1 bad review. Don't know who gave me 1 star. Let's have a look at the 1 star review. No use. Sterlingam. I'm so sad that you said my app is plus, but thanks to the others who reviewed that working well. Have a live stream coming up YouTube. Whenever I'm free, I will do the YouTube live. So today we are live. London has opened about 2 hours. Let's see. We are very long. We didn't do anything live today. We'll show you. These are all the zones that we drawn previously. If you still remember in the last live stream. Give me a moment. I'll be right back. Give me 5 minutes and I'll be right back. Please wait patiently. Let's wait a moment. Okay, today is September 21st. In 1 month since we last live. Okay. Okay, we are live and let's see. Can you guys see my screen? I think you can see my screen. Okay, we are here on the screen right now. And if you are following me for quite some time, you would have realized that we are very keen on this Euro USD pair. Drawn so many lines. This is where we long and take profit, short, keep bouncing off. What does this mean? Let's go on to the longer time frame. As you can see, this is an impulsive wave. What we have, if you know the Elliott wave, let's get a chart so that there's not so many lines. Okay, let's delete all the lines for you guys so that it'll be easier. Okay, this were previous analysis. So if you know the Elliott wave, very simple. Let's draw it for you. According to the Elliott wave theory, there's 5 waves. Wave 1, the second wave will be retracement. This will be your second wave up. Basically, I feel that on the Elliott wave theory, there will be 5 waves. Let's draw it for you. You guys don't understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, So this is the first wave up, one, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and we will have fifth wave. This is the Elliott wave, 5 wave theory. If you do not know Elliott wave, 5 wave theory, I'll make a new video about it in future, but basically you just need to know that very common 5 wave. Let me show you how to get the 5 wave from a downtrend from 2007. It's very easy to see on the weekly. I'll show you first wave down, second wave up. Let's draw it not so clear. Let's change something clearer. First wave down, second wave up, second wave down, up, third wave down, third wave up, fourth wave down. It went sideways, so I think it didn't come down anymore. So you see, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4. So this Elliott wave ended in a 4 wave, and it's very obvious that the trend is reversing on the weekly. We are currently experiencing this. So we are on the 200 moving average. If you can see, it's very pretty obvious. 200-day moving average. I don't think we are breaking any lower of this. I think we are going to go much higher. But where are we going? Do you know? Don't know. Let's draw the Fibonacci. Fibonacci retrace. Very simple. Let's take the high and the bottom. Okay. If you are having such, you can't see clearly because the lines are not extended. Very simple. Go into settings, then the line rightwards. Okay, you can see we have a very big pullback to the 23.6%. What does this mean? This means that the price is going to go way higher. Where are we going to expect? As I mentioned previously, 1.618. Roughly the price will be around 1.3, challenging 1.39 over here. This is the price that we're challenging. How would the upward move be like? As you see, there's a 5 wave Elliott wave, one up, one down. Next, I think the second wave up we will hit here. How long does it take to reach here? I don't know, but from past experience, you see, 2000. Let's take a look at the high, 2008. So the second wave ended 2 years. This is a long-term trade, so we are somewhere near the bottom. We're not at the bottom anymore. We are near the bottom. We're looking to go way higher. So let's reset everything. Delete everything on the chart. That's going okay. Everything's gone. Let's go down to the 4-hour. Where are we looking for? After doing the 5-wave Elliott wave on the weekly, let's go to the daily and we are finding for entry. It is very simple. If you like to go for the support and resistance, let's see, this is the resistance point. Somewhere over here, maybe we have it lower. About here is just right. Quite nice, the line best fit. So do you want to wait for price to come back here before going up? Maybe this is a good entry, but it's not so simple to have it here. I think the most probable place to be somewhere, supply and demand is always much more clearer. But if supply and demand coincides with resistance line, then this is where you have your entry point. Let's over here on the daily, we have a one zone. We have one here. Okay, we have two demand zone. We identify two demand zone. One over here, one over here. Okay, we have two demand zones. So where are we taking our price? I think basically you see price coincide the resistance and the demand zone. I think this is a good trade. Wait for candlestick pattern around here. Let's go to the 4 hour to fine tune our entry point. Just now we draw based on the daily, so let's draw on the 4 hour. Okay, this is the good entry point over here. Oh, just nice on the resistance. So here you go. I've drawn it for you. If you are patient enough, wait for this drop. I believe there will be a drop coming. But will we reach this entry? I don't know. So let's wait. Next up, go. This, if you've seen, I've drawn this before on live stream. Very simple. I predict a double top, but the double top is not happening. So I'm a bit afraid that let's get to a brand new chart. It will be clearer. This is a bad news because what we are looking, I thought that we would have a double top, but it's not happening. Price is consolidating at the top. This is a bad news. This is a sign that price would move even much higher. I don't wish to see it moving way higher, but yes, the previous analysis should have failed. Let me draw it for you guys. Okay, you see we are at the 2.61261 level from the first wave that up. Price respected the zone. Where are we going next? In terms of the movement, I think we might challenge the 2003. Hopefully not, but this case I think we might have a price challenging this 2003. But if it doesn't challenge this 2003, where are we looking to sell? Basically we are at a high. Let's set the chart. Basically we are at all-time high around here. What you want to see is a double top. Let me draw it for double top. Hope you can profit from this trade. I've been watching this for the longest time ever, since where you see all the way back in 2012. I had this. How many years? 8 years, almost 9 years past. So we are still looking for the double top. Okay, currently this is not happening. So please do not take the trade anymore. Please wait, because what we are seeing is, what is this called? This accumulation phase. Let's draw it for you. If it was an accumulation phase, very simple. See this. See this. This is a wedge pattern, triangle pattern. What will happen here? There's only two options. Very simple. We break above, come back down and go, or we break below, come back up and go. You are very familiar with technical analysis. This is a true pattern that will cause this to happen, but we will never get our top hit this type of pattern, because normally I lose money in this type of pattern because I can't predict which way we are going, and I always enter too early because I enter when price breaks here, but my stop loss is too near. Normally I lose money because I would have a wider stop, have profit every time this happens, but stop is too narrow. So choice, according to my trading plan, this is a trade that I will never take. You guys want to take, go ahead, but let's see. Okay, we are approaching the 200 moving average. We might have a long trade here, touch and go back up. I hope it happens, so it would prove my double top, thing like that, like a W. Can it happen? I don't know. Still waiting. So let's not talk gold is over. Let's go to Aussie USD, our favorite pair. What is happening with the Aussie USD? This is on previous live stream. If you have not watched, go and watch the previous live stream. Everything is covered in there. Let's get a new chart. brand new chart as well. Okay, see the zone. We are still waiting for this zone patiently. Last time we have many small zones here. We took profit on these two trades. Let's just wait. Don't think these are valid anymore. This might still be valid. And this is still valid. This demand zone is still valid. So two zones. I think this is a better zone. Coincides with the red line. Red line is my resistance line, which should turn support soon. So this is where we are going long. Just wait patiently. Aussie, that's out. That's all for you. Let's go to the next pair. GBP NZD. This is a very fun pair to go with. NC predicted the last move perfectly. Very good. So the 200-day moving average and price will face back down. What is this? This is a bad sign. Can we still enter long? We can still enter long. There's still one more chance over here. We entered the last time here. Okay, this is the first time draw for you guys. This is the first time we enter around here. Took profit here, and price went higher and came back down. The next time we are going to enter. This is the second time. Can we make money from this trade? This is a risky trade, but we might have some chance of making money. Why? Because chart just look fantastically nice. Might have a move up here. How long I don't know. Might. So this, please get your risk to reward ratio right and enter. It's a very good trade. When should we enter? I think now is a good place to enter. We are looking 19104, 19105. Just enter and set your stop loss where? Same as the last time. 50 or 100 pips below the low. Just stop out. That's all. Just get stopped out. Next off, we are moving to index. This is a very fun index. We have drawn this in quite some time back. I can't remember if I live for you, but where are we targeting next? 161 over here. Our target take profit 4452 as 3868 our target almost reached and faced. So this is taken out. Don't need to watch. Last time we predicted it. So nice. Now we are going to look where should we buy in if we have cash. The only place that you should look at buying in is here. Go for you. 61.838. Okay, these are the two zones that you had to buy in. Long, we are going long. So what will price action do? Price action, it's always going up. So the only chance is price bounce off this resistance. So we get it bounce off, which is bouncing right now. Don't know which direction it's going, so let's not take it. Remember, if you don't know where it's going, do not take it. You see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's what will happen next. We'll either go all the way up or all the way down. Very simple. There's only a few actions the market can take. We will not predict it, but we'll see. Once it come back down, we'll enter here, sell here. Let's wait. This is very nice. I personally like it to go higher, but will it happen? Depends on coronavirus, COVID, and depends on Trump. Let's not predict so much. Next up, we'll be looking at Nasdaq. This is a very fun, very bullish of this, and we have an entry soon. are very sure we will bounce off this and back up. Okay, this is what I predict. We do not need to see. I don't think we will get a chance here. Here, there might be a chance over here. If you are stopped up here, you are stopped up here to enter here. Here, wait for next entry over here. 6, 8. I doubt it's happening, but we will be going with the Nasdaq over here. Very strong technological stock. And see everyone share split. Tesla share split. Everyone is doing the share split, so basically affecting the stock value. You see the share split happen, split down 35%. Then everyone keep buy up. Very strong. Not touching this stock at the moment, so out. What's next? SP. Let's take a look at back home in Singapore. Keppel Corp BS. Keppel Corp. Okay, back home in Singapore, what we have, Keppel Corp, $4.19. Should we enter? Of course, if you have additional money, let me show you this. Can we go all the way back? Okay, what is this? This is the 2008 crisis. Remember 2008 crisis. Where are we now? COVID 2012 crisis. Okay, if we draw a horizontal line, we are back at 2008 level. So what you need to do, you need to prepare your cash and look for buying zone. Where are we buying in? If you don't know, let me show you where can we buy. Very simple. This is the first reversal candle that we see over here. Let me everything. Are there obvious reversal candle? Yes, there is one. Is the reversal candle strong in? To be honest, no. You have one reversal candle over here. Is it strong enough? Not strong enough. It's a weak reversal candle. I repeat, it's a weak reversal candle. Do not attempt to enter at the moment. Let's wait, because you see on the daily, quite weak, not that strong. On the weekly is even worse. What does this mean? This means that price is going to fall way further down. Why? We have engulfing candlestick, and what does it mean? Means that the buyer and seller are fighting very fierce at this price zone. First we have a bullish engulfing, then we have a bearish engulfing the next day. So we are down, buyers come in, bullish engulfing, then sellers come in the next day, bearish engulfing. So what are we waiting? This is called buyer and seller, bulls and bears fighting in the market. If you're not familiar, we go onto the daily and you'll be seeing this is what we call the classic bearish engulfing candlestick. What would happen after a bearish engulfing candlestick? Almost 60 to 70% of the time it go down. It's not a guarantee, but 60 to 70% of the time you'll see price moving way lower. So what we should do, we should wait. This is a very good, I repeat, very good trade. When are we taking it? Just wait for a very strong bullish candlestick. Where do you find bullish candlestick? There is bullish candlestick here. This is a very classic bullish candlestick. A buy, you earn money. I don't care where you take profit. You buy here on the day close, take profit here, somewhere here. When price break up, you don't sell at the high. When price come back down, you will sell. Okay, this is where you will sell. So the next time when something happen, I'll update you. Next up, back home, Singtel. I love this stock so much. It's at 221. What's the high? Let me find it for you. The high is over here. Let's draw what's price range. Date and price range. Let's not bluff each other. Let's draw it. Let every one of you know what I'm talking about. Okay, you can see 285 bars, 1995 days. What does it mean? Let me show you the calculator. 1995 days divided by 365. Are we right? Is the day right? Let me see. Week. 285 bars. I think let's go with 285 bars on the weekly time. 285 bar divided by, in a year there's 82 weeks. 5 year? Is this 5 year? Oh, it has been 5 years. Okay. April 2015. Yeah, I didn't count wrongly. It's 5 years. So 5 years from the top, where are we now? We are at negative 51.65%. So should we enter? Definitely should enter, but is this the time? I repeat myself, it's not the time yet. We're still waiting for engulfing candlestick. See, there's engulfing candlestick here. This is the first time, this is the second time. So why are we still waiting? Because you see the action is not strong enough. You don't make some money. It respected the support. See? Respected the support back then. It became resistance. So what did price do? Price do this. Up, down, sideways, down. Okay. What we need to see is very simple. Remember clearly, very simple. What we need to do, we need to wait patiently for this to shake out. What I mean by shake out, very simple. There's a resistance here. If you are really rich, you have lots and lots of money, what I will recommend you to do, very simple. Over here you have a lot of money, and here, here, there are we. Double bottom is forming. How sure I am that this is a double bottom? Not very sure. As you see, one. Okay, this is not a very nice double bottom. Not a very uniform double bottom, but it is forming. Will you make money in this trade? Definitely you will make, and I hope to grab your chance now to enter here. But if you do not have a lot of money and you're afraid, then what you need to do is wait to price go clear this zone. You can buy anywhere you want you can buy. So but you'll be making lesser money. Let me remind you, you'll be making lesser money. That's all for Singtel. Then we have Yangzijiang. It's a very hot stock at the moment. I recommend you to buy soon. I've already entered the market at 0.97. Let me 0.97. This is my entry price. Where did I enter last Tuesday? Let's see. 15. The 15 I entered 0.97 here. Okay, this is my entry here. What am I thinking right now? Where are we looking to take profit? Okay, we will just wait patiently. Why? Simple. Let's count for you. History always repeats itself, and we don't need much explanation. Let's count for you. Okay, 24 bars, 35 days. What does it? 47%. Can we make this money? If you are daring enough, you can. If you are not daring enough, then you wait for price to go back up. Enter. How long will it take? That one was quite fast, 57 days. This is another one. Have over here 39 days. Let's draw more. 739 days. There's one more here. Okay, 56 days. History always repeats itself. Let me tell you this. I hate to say this multiple times. You guys be fed up of me saying this multiple times, but 35 days, 35, 56, about there, you can see where we going to look at. There's a, let's draw it in for you guys over here. Okay, we are almost there. 44 days, but there's no big movement. We are almost there. Let's see on the weekly. Weekly would give you a much more accurate view of the long term, because I normally trade on the long term. So let's see how far it took here to here. It was 406 days. Okay, the time from here to here, 280 days. So from the low, if we were to go back up 406, 208, 300 days, about 300 days. Let's draw it here, 300 days. Almost there, but price didn't move that much. Are we going to go that high? I don't know, but the last time I did my analysis, let me show you. I've already buy. Where are we taking profit? A few zones to take profit. Okay, 1.06, very good zone to take profit. And another zone to take profit is over here, 1.18. So how are we going to take profit? Very simple. Watch the market closely. When price challenge 1.06, look out for candlestick. Does it overshoot, come back, or I repeat myself, does it overshoot, come back, or does it come here and go back down? So you need to be very careful about this trade and look. DBS is a very fun place. Why I'm saying very fun? We are at 19.99. We are under the book value again. Let me show you the book value. Let's use some free software. Hey, Yahoo Finance, DBS. When you're investing in stock, the basic you need to know is book value. Can we find the book value here? Where is it? Book value. Why is it not showing? Find profile. Hey, CEO Piyush, 5 million pay. Book value. Let me find where did they change the book value to. Financial. Book. Do we have the book value? No PB here. It be PB. Okay, I have it. I don't know why we. Oh, it's in the statistic chart. Let me show you the price to book. This is PB 0.95. What does this mean? Yeah, under our book value. So book value of 1 is the fair value of the company. Buying. Let me find where the price. Here you go. Da, 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 da. Okay, this is the 52-week low, 16.65, 1-year low. I can't find it. Market cap, enterprise value, yeah, 112 billion. Enterprise value divided by revenue. Okay, go to SX. Price screener. Okay, looking at it. Valuation, price to book value 0.953. Okay, you can see they are under the fair value now. This is current price divided by the latest book value per share. They are currently under the book value. $20 is fair. So I think it's a good price to buy. $20. Then there's a cash. Oh, you see. Okay, DBS is owned by Temasek Holding, 30% owned by Temasek. Then these are the other players holding 2%, 2%, 1%. Income statement. We have everything here. Okay, let's skip this. For now, I think it's a very good value. Where are we buying? Oh, you see. So nice. Let me. This might be a good entry. Let's wait and see what happens. I entered too high here, 23.475, almost at the top. I thought we would break up, but we didn't, and I buy a bit too early. So currently, what's my loss? Show you what's my loss now. 23.475 to here. We are down 14%, so I'm still holding on. Doesn't matter. What other American stock? Twitter. The last time we were talking about Twitter, I didn't enter. It went up. Should we go in? Might. I need to study this further. Okay. So let's go back to Euro USD. Okay. You've seen me going through almost everything today. I thank you for your time watching this. Remember, if you are not subscribed, remember to click on the like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay subscribed for the latest update. Remember to comment in the comment section down below what you would like to learn and what you would like to, or what you like me to do on a daily or weekly basis in the comment section down below, and I will know what you guys like to watch, so I'll do basically what you guys like. If there's no comment, then we will be continuing with this forecasting. I guess in long, and I thank each and every one of you here with me today. Till then, bye. Till then, bye.